Good afternoon, everyone. All sit in a prayerful posture. All sit in a prayerful posture. We'll begin the day with the prayer. Just 1 minute for the class. Every child to sit in a prayerful posture. Good. Very good. Sonia, very good. All sit in a prayerful posture. Still 1 minute is there. We'll wait for the participants to join. Then we'll begin the day with a prayer. Sonia, keep hands on your lap and sit straight, bache. All sit straight. Okay, exactly 1 o'clock is there now. We'll begin the day with a prayer. Dear God, we praise and thank you for the beautiful morning you have given us. Keep us safe from all harm and danger. Help us to understand what is taught today so that whatever topics are there, we are able to understand and ask and clear our doubts. Dear God, we need your blessings. Keep your loving hand on each one of us. Now all will say the universal prayer. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom comes. Your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Now, my dear students, I will share my screen with you. Still, I want more should join the class. So that every child is there with me in the class. All have not joined the class. I want every child to join the class. So the topic today was which we will start today is water cycle and lightning conductor. Everybody knows about water cycle. Like the water which gets evaporated, then changing into condensation, changing into vapor, and then again it comes down in the form of rain. That is known as water cycle. So I have shared my screen with you. Okay, 1 minute. Navneet, unmute yourself. Navneet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache, just give me a second. I will unmute other participants also.
Okay,
Radhika
ma'am.
Sharma, unmute yourself. Radhika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1 minute. Pujnik, unmute yourself. Pujnik.
Yes,
Just give me a second so I will unmute 4 to 5 participants and then it will become easy for me to. Okay, Gungun, unmute yourself. Gungun.
yes, ma'am.
So I have unmuted 4 to 5 participants. I want every child to join, bache. So it become easy for you to understand. Okay, my first participant is Navneet.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to see the screen which I have shared?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
topic which will start today is water cycle and lightning conductor. This is the name of the chapter. So first we will start the word matter when we talk about solid, liquid and gases. Okay, read the first two sentences.
Okay, ma'am. Matter can exist in one of the three main states: solid, liquid, or gas.
Hmm.
Solid matter is composed of tightly packed particles.
Yes.
A solid will retain its shape. The particles are not free to move around.
Okay, bache, stop here. Navneet. So matter means that when we're talking about things, they exist in three states. One is solid, second one is liquid, and third one is gas. Now, when you see the solid object, you see how hard it is, and we are not able to compress it. Why? Because the particles are tightly packed and they are having a particular shape, and we cannot press that particular object like stone, bed, table. These things are very hard. The next participant is Pujnik. Pujnik, beta.
Ma'am, Radhika Sharma.
Okay, Radhika. Radhika.
Liquid matter is made of more closely packed particles.
Loosely, bache. Loosely.
Okay, ma'am. Loosely packed particles. It will take the shapes of the conductor
Container.
particles. Container.
Container.
Okay, ma'am. Container. Particles can move about within a liquid, but they are packed. Ma'am, what is this?
Densely.
Densely enough
Enough.
that volume is maintained.
Okay, stop here, bache. So second one matter is liquid. So now liquid is not like solid, it is little bit loosely packed. If you pour water in a glass, it will shape. Container means whatever utensil you will use, it will take the shape of that utensil. So that is known as container. If you pour in a glass, it will take the water will take the shape of the glass. You will put in a katori, it will take the shape of the katori. So the particles can move in the liquid. They are not very densely packed. Densely means not packed together. And we can see the shape of the object wherever it is poured. Okay. Now Namneet has read, Radhika has read. Then after that, who is there? Pujnik?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pujnik, the last one, gaseous.
Gaseous matter is composed of particles packed so closely that it has neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. A
Defined,
gas
bache,
can be
defined.
compressed.
Pujnik, it is defined. It is written defined, not definite. Defined. Read, bacha, read. It is defined. You read that line. Read from here that it has neither a defined shape. Read, Pujani, beta. What happened? What happened? She has muted herself, or what is the problem? 1 minute. Unmute yourself, Pujnik. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
But you don't mute
It
yourself. Na?
has neither a defined shape nor a defined volume.
Yes.
A gas can be compressed.
Compressed. Compressed. What is the word? Compressed.
Compressed.
Pujnik, say the spelling of compressed from the screen.
Compressed.
Yes. So whenever you blow air in the balloon, what happens? You're able to press the balloon. That means the particles of the gases are loosely packed and they don't have a definite shape. Defined shape means particular shape, particular volume it is not having. Wherever you are pouring air, it will take the shape of that thing. Okay, fine. Gungun, Pujnik, Navneet,
Yes, ma'am.
Radhika, all have read. Gungun turn is there now. Gungun, can you tell me what is the difference between solid, liquid, and gas from the screen?
Ma'am, solid, liquid, and gas.
Yes, bache.
Ma'am, screen is not coming.
Why, bache? Just see once again. Are you able to see the screen?
No, ma'am.
Why? Okay, wait, bacha. Wait. Okay, just give me a second. Just give me a second. Gungun, you wait for a while, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Maybe your side some network issues there. Japneet, unmute yourself, beta. I've given you permission. Japneet.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Jagriti, you also unmute yourself. Jagriti. Bacha, I'm giving you permission, so do it faster. Advita, unmute yourself. Advita. I'm giving permission. You people have to do it faster. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have got the chance.
Who is that one? Advita.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Advita. Ma'am, I have got the chance.
Okay, good girl. Thank you, beta. Anya, unmute
Welcome,
yourself.
ma'am.
Anya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Agamjot, unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
Yes, good.
got the chance last
Okay, bache, those who got the chance. Fine, you are good girls. You're telling me. Feeling very happy. Jasmine, unmute yourself. Jasmine. Bache, faster you people have to do. Jasmine, I'm giving you permission. Okay, if you're not doing, then how you will get the chance? Kainat Anil. Kainat Anil.
Close the door.
Don't speak, bacha. When you speak, your voice comes to me. Okay. Manita Datta. So these girls are not unmuting. I am not giving them chance next time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Now give me a second. My first participant is who?
Ma'am, Japneet, me.
Okay, Japneet. Can you tell from the
Yes.
screen the difference between solid, liquid, and gases?
Matter can exist in one or of three main states: solid, liquid, or gas. Solid matter is composed of tightly packed particles. A solid will retain its shape. The particles are not free to move around. Liquid matter is made of more loosely packed particles. It will take the shape of the container. Particles can move around within a liquid, but they are packed densely enough that volume is maintained. Gaseous matter is composed of particles packed so loosely it, that it that it has neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. A gas can be compressed.
Okay, bache, did you understand the meaning difference between solid, liquid, and gases?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the main difference? Any point you can say in your own language also. It's not compulsory to read from the book. Solids are tightly packed.
Liquid
Liquids
are
are
densely
loosely
packed
packed. Na?
and
Liquids
gases are not packed.
are so loose. Na? It's composed of
Yes,
particles
ma'am. They
packed
can
so
be
loosely.
compressed.
Okay, bache. Fine, Japneet. Anya,
Yes, ma'am.
please give me a second. I'll change the screen. 1 minute. This is the geographical that previous chapter. This diagram which is in a book also. This you have to draw, bache, all
Yes,
of you.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. Just give me a second. What has happened? 1 minute. Okay, the next topic you are able to see on the screen is freezing and melting. Anya, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Bache, do you know the meaning of freezing? Simple thing. All are having refrigerator at
Yes,
home.
ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell me what is the meaning of
Ma'am.
freezing?
Ma'am, when we fill the water and just keep it in the fridge for hours and it becomes ice, this is called freezing.
Yes, very good. It is known as freezing. So please read now from the screen.
Yes, ma'am. Heat transfer occurs between the warmer tray and the colder air in the freezer. The warm water loses heat to the cold air in the freezer. This heat transfer occurs until no energy is available for the particles to slide past each other. This forces them to remain in fixed position, locked in place by the force of attraction between them. This way, liquid water is changed into solid ice. The process of liquid water changing to solid ice is termed as freezing. The temperature at which it occurs is known as the freezing point.
Yes, very good. So, what is you mean by freezing? When you keep the warmer, like you keep whatever water you have taken, normal temperature water, you're keeping in the colder temperature for few hours. And what happened due to force of attraction? This water, liquid water, changing into ice. Okay. So this freezing definition is given. This question is given on page number 154. Short answer, fifth one. What is freezing? Okay. After Anya, who is there? आने के बाद किसको अनम्यूट किया मैंने?
Ma'am, Gungun.
Okay, Gungun, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. From the screen, tell me the definition of freezing. See the fourth line.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The process of liquid water changing to solid ice is termed as freezing.
Yes, and what is freezing point?
Ma'am, the temperature at which it occurs is known as the freezing point.
Yes, when the solid thing changes to ice, that is known as freezing. And at what temperature it occurs? That is known as the particular freezing point. Good, bache. Any other participant is unmuted? Okay. Udita, unmute yourself. Udita.
Yes,
Suhavi, Sia, Radhya, bache, aapka mute unmute is not coming. What happened? Okay. Vishali Devi, unmute yourself. Vishali Devi. Good. Still, I am not able to see all the participants. Why, bache? Pihu Mahajan. Pihu Mahajan. Suhana Sharma. Suhana Sharma. They are not unmuting, so I will not give them chance next time. Rujla Gupta. Fast, all of you. Ridhima Tartyal. Ridhima Tartyal. Not unmuting. Ridhima Sharma. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Okay, all. I've given you time to unmute, bache. When I call your name, that time only you people have to do it. Neha Bau, unmute yourself. Neha Bau.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Wait. Harpriya, unmute yourself. Harpriya. Good,
Yes,
bache.
ma'am.
Okay, Danak, unmute yourself. Danak. Good.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, fine, bache. Fine. Perfect silence I want. So Gungun turn is over. After Gungun, who is the next participant whom I have unmuted?
Ma'am, Udita.
Okay, Udita. Are you able to see the screen? The topic melting is given below freezing. Tell your parents not to speak, bache, when you are unmuted now. That's the recording. Okay. Start, Udita. Melting topic.
If you took out the ice cubes from the freezer and placed them in a warm room, the ice would absorb energy from the warmer air around them. This observed energy would
Absorb. बच्चे it is absorb. Shelly, बच्चे आप mute करो, मैं आपको बाद में unmute करती हूँ. From your side, disturbance is coming too much. Shelly Devi. Till somebody's TV is
absorb
on. From somebody's side, TV is on, बच्चे. See, I am able to hear the voice and I will find the girl. Then I will scroll the screen down now. I will. हरप्रिया, आपके घर से आवाज आ रही बच्चे. हरप्रिया, tell your parents not to speak. Okay. Harpriya and Vishali, I will unmute you afterwards. Okay, start, Udita.
This absorbed energy would facilitate them to overcome the force
Facilitate.
of
Listen to me, bache. Facilitate. What is the word?
facilitate.
Yes.
facilitate them to overcome the force of attraction holding them together, enabling them to slip out of the fixed position that they held as ice.
Yes.
The process in which a solid change to a liquid is called melting. The melting point is the temperature at which a solid change to a liquid.
Okay. Now next participant after Udita. Who is there? Dhanak is there? Who is there? I did not tell all to mute, bache. Dhanak, you are there? I think so. Not muted yourself.
Yes, ma'am, I am
Okay,
here.
bache. Okay, fine.
No,
Can you
ma'am.
tell from the screen what is the definition of melting?
Ma'am, I have to read.
हाँ बच्चे, it is given on the screen there ना. See the third line towards the corner.
If you
The process.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. If you took out the ice cubes from the freezer and placed them in a warm room, the ice would absorb energy from the warmer air around them. This absorbed energy would facilitate them to overcome the force of attraction holding them together. Enabling them to slip out of the fixed position that they held as ice. In which a solid changes to a liquid is called melting.
Okay,
The
listen
melting
now.
point
Listen
at the
बच्चे.
temperature.
It is not process, it is process. What is the pronunciation? Process. और बच्चे ये word जो है ना, this word, this is facilitate. What is this word? Facilitate.
Facilitate.
Facilitate. Facilitate. Okay. Okay, beta, fine. Next participant. Who is the next participant whom I have unmuted? Okay, Harpriya, unmute yourself now. Harpriya. हाँ बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Abhishali Devi, after you, I will unmute her. Now from the screen, please read the definition of melting and melting point. Both the definition.
The melting point.
बच्चे पहले melting definition you have to read ना. The process in which. See the third line towards the
Okay, ma'am.
corner.
The process in which a solid change to a liquid is called melting.
Yes. When the things of
The
solid
melting
into liquid, it is called melting. In Hindi we call it pigalna. Okay, what is the definition of melting point?
Yes, ma'am. The process in which a solid change into liquid is called melting.
Just finish. Melting point is also given na, with that only. Read that.
Melting is the temperature
Solid change to a liquid. What is melting point? The temperature at which the solid changes to liquid. Okay, Vishali Devi, unmute yourself. Vishali.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See the screen and tell me the definition of melting. Melting topic, third line. Melting topic, third line towards the corner. The definition of melting written. The process.
The process in which a solid change to a liquid is called melting.
Yes.
The melting point is the temperature at which a solid change to a liquid.
Very good. Very good. Good. When you are speaking, then tell your parents not to speak in between. Okay, Suhavi, unmute yourself. Suhavi. Unmute, bache.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. 1 minute. Let me see. Bhagavi, mute, unmute is not coming. Tejasvi Singh, unmute yourself. Tejasvi. Where are these participants? Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Supriya, unmute yourself. Supriya, unmute बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am.
Sukanya, unmute yourself. Sukanya Kotwal.
Yes, ma'am.
बच्चे, 1 minute. Suhavi, are
Yes,
you there?
ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
give me a second. I will 1 minute. I will change the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, are you able to see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Read what is the question given there on the top.
What are
Yes,
changes of
ma'am.
state?
Okay, bache, so read now.
A change of state is a physical change in a matter. There are reversible changes and do not involve any changes in the chemical makeup of the matter. Common
Yes.
changes of the state include melting, freezing, sublimation, deposition, condensation, and vaporization.
Okay, stop till here, bache, stop. Suhavi, after
Okay,
Suhavi,
ma'am.
who's there?
Sukanya.
Huh? Sukanya.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
bache. Read the common changes name there. What is the first one?
Ma'am, melting.
We have done the definition of melting, na bache? है ना?
Yes,
करिए ना
ma'am.
definition melting की. आप बता सकते हो what is the definition of melting? When the solid changes to liquid. What is the definition of melting? When the solid
When the solid changes to liquid.
it is known as melting. And what is melting point? The temperature. Repeat after me. The temperature at which
The temperature at which
solids melt to form liquid.
solid melt to form liquid.
liquid. So that is known as melting point. ठीक है बच्चे?
That is okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. After Supriya, who is there? One more was there, na? Suhavi, Supriya, Sukanya. What happened? Sukanya, where Sukanya is gone?
Ma'am, I have read Ma'am Supriya done.
Okay, Supriya. Supriya is muted. Supriya, unmute yourself. Supriya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, due to network issue, my class got disconnected, so I got muted.
Okay, bache. Okay. Fine. Now, are you able to see the screen? What are changes of state?
Yes, ma'am.
So, we have done now melting and freezing. Can you tell me the definition of freezing? What is freezing?
Ma'am, when we put water into the freezer, ma'am, after some time it get freeze. So, ma'am, it is called freezing.
Very good, very good. And do you know what is freezing point? The temperature at
Ma'am,
which
what?
freezing point.
Yes,
The
ma'am. Ma'am, the temperature at which the freezer works.
Yes, at which the liquid change into solid. Good, bache. Very good. Very good. And those who are leaving the class now, I'm getting their names. Beforehand only people are leaving the class. Okay. Danak, you got the chance? Danak got the chance to read? Danak.
Yes, ma'am, I got
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, I got the chance.
Okay. 1 minute. Guneet Kaur, unmute yourself. Guneet Kaur. But you have to unmute yourself now. Hina Singh. Hina Singh. My students are there in the class, but they are not understanding my language. Unmute, bache. Hina Singh. Hina, are you unmuted? Okay, muted again. Okay, I'm giving permission. Unmute. Hina,
Yes,
bache,
ma'am.
unmute. Okay, bache. So, are you able to see the screen? What are changes of state?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you read the definition from the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Karo read, beta.
A change of state is a physical change in a matter.
They are reversible changes and do not involve any changes in the chemical makeup of the matter. Common changes of state include melting, freezing, sublimation, deposition, condensation, and evaporation. These changes are
Vaporization, bachche, till air only. Vaporization. So these all you will study. Today we have done melting and freezing. We have done today and told you about the different state of matter. So I'm stop sharing my screen now. So I will give permission to the participant to ask if they have facing any problem in the topic which we have discussed today. Okay, I have unmuted all the participants. Anybody wants to
No,
ask
ma'am.
anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Tanya, fine.
No,
Tell
ma'am,
me.
you have not given me the chance.
No, ma'am.
Bachche, who is that one?
Ma'am, you have not given me the chance to speak.
Who is that one, bachche? Who is that one? Say your name. Neha.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I got a chance.
Okay.
not given.
Bachche, say your name now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Neha Bhau.
Neha.
Bhau.
Okay, but I said I called the name of Neha. I don't know where were you. Okay, Neha, unmute yourself. Neha, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Bache, I was calling your name and you did not respond, na? So that's why. So today we have done about solid. Okay, can you tell me what is solid? Solid क्या होता है बच्चे? They are tightly packed. We are not able to compress. Repeat after me.
Ma'am, they are tightly compact.
We are not able to compress it. We are not able to compress it.
We are not able to compress them.
Yes, very good. And what is the definition of liquid? Liquid takes the shape of the container. What happens to
Liquid takes
liquid?
the shape of container.
Yes, we are not able to compress it. हम liquid को दबा नहीं सकते हैं ना बेटा? We are not able to compress it ना? Okay, fine
We
बेटा.
cannot able to compress it. Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am.
So next time na in the class first I will give you only the turn. ठीक है? I called your name but I don't know where you went. Okay. All leave the class. Pujnik, what do you want to ask? 1 minute. Pujnik is asking something. Pujnik, unmute yourself. Pujnik, unmute beta. क्या पूछ रहे हो? What are you asking?
Ma'am, which
Yes,
of the
beta.
forms are...
What? What question is yours? Okay, all leave the class, bache. All leave the class. Bye to everyone. 1 minute. I will unmute everyone so that you are able to say bye to ma'am. Bye to all.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for the class. Bye, ma'am.